Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Veracity price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, this is the first time I analyze this coin on this channel, and this is a special request from Roman. Welcome Roman to the channel, and it's my pleasure, of course, to provide this complicated structure that I agree why you are finding difficulties with it. So I'm gonna explain what's going on in it. First thing I would say, of course, a lot of choppiness, and here where it starts the difficulties, I believe. So basically, you have here a WXY finished already in the first scenario. And in that case, you have to ignore it somehow. Once this, probably this coin has been launched, it has kind of like not really potential first until it has found some point where it has found some psychology in the market, obviously. Yeah. So you can start counting from here if you want. In this scenario, of course, there is a scenario where we take this with it. So we're going to see it ends up at the end with the same result. However, looking at this point, you can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Clear impulse toward the upside, nice psychology, and very clear. Reaching a wave A in your orange scenario, right? In your orange scenario, and then of course moving toward the downside and very clearly impulsively again, for a second wave A, meaning you are definitely in a zigzag or in an impulse toward the downside, right? But much more probable here is a zigzag form after an impulse. So let's say it is a zigzag, you have an ABC, of course, for your wave B, and you are looking for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C to reach another wave B here in the orange scenario. Yeah, this is your orange scenario here unfolding, and obviously this is an impulse. So very, very clearly that this is your wave C, for a wave B. And then, okay, so this is the first scenario. Of course, after this, you have an impulse, you have 3 waves down, you want to seek for a wave C in the orange scenario again, right? So you would like to see higher prices impulsively again. This is your first scenario. Your second scenario is, let's take the whole thing that happens here, and this of course is gonna be considered as well as a WXY probably, and taking or A, B, and a C if you want, like this, where you have your WXY, or let's say A is 3 waves up, your wave B is 3 waves down, and then you got an impulse for your wave C. So finishing here your wave C in the white scenario, and you are looking, of course, at a big wave A then, the yellow scenario. So this is 3 waves toward the upside right now. After 3 waves, you have again the same 3 waves down, which are zigzag, and then bringing us again to the same wave C towards the upside. Very nice combination, by the way, with those scenarios. I know it had made some troubles here to read it, and I give much more higher possibility for the yellow scenario because obviously your wave zigzag here is going very, very deep to the 1-to-1 fib level. And that means you're going below the 0.786 probably, of course, probably, but yeah, obviously it is an impulse toward the downside. And meaning, of course, this is the yellow scenario playing because your wave B is very, very deep, meaning in a regular flat. Your regular flat, your wave B can reach the 0.9 fib level. The 0.9 fib level taken, of course, from the bottom here of the wave A to the top. And yeah, I know I never mention this fib level normally, but it can be for let me set it up for you. So 0.9. This can be a wave B here, for the yellow scenario, probably. Which is between the 1-to-1 fib level and the 0.9, but preferably to reach only 0.9 in a regular flat. And then, of course, moving for higher. Your expanding flat would turn, of course, lower than 1-to-1 fib level, meaning this can turn into a wave B lower than this, lower prices than this, in an expanding flat, and then moving for a wave C toward the upside. So it's also possible. Watch out between, of course, those 2 fib levels here. the 0.9 and the 1-to-1. If you exceed it, yeah, be careful from it. The 1.0, if I take this as expanding flat, wave V, here we go. I mean, the same one can be written. So wave B as expanding flat, expanding wave B. Hello. Okay. I think I need to draw this. Sorry. Here we go. So if you have an expanding flat wave B, you would like to reach the 1.05. Here we go. Yeah, which is under the 1-to-1 fib levels. Those are your wave B expanding flat. Yeah, so basically, now we're moving towards the downside. Anyway, in all case scenarios here, very obvious that we're moving towards the downside and then moving towards the upside. That was for Veracity, and I hope that this was informative and helpful. It's nice sometimes to go into a complicated chart and to give some tips as well and educational tips for Elliott Wave. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.